What's up, guys? Hey, last night I remember saying that if we broke down into the deeper parts of this order block, that I wouldn't go long. But honestly, I kind of take that back because as long as this low stays protected, this candle won't be an OB, so we can kind of keep it that way. Like, we'll be okay. Like, we're not gonna get some really funky stuff. So we're looking for longs now. We have 8 minutes to look at price and see where we are. Let me start here. Okay, nice. Nothing on the 6 hour. 4 hour. Yeah. Okay, 4 hour FRT. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out. And I'm going to do this. So yeah, if it's not a 4 hour, then it's a 3 hour for sure. So right, no, interesting. So this 4 hour is a range, but this 3 hour is not. Interesting. So where does it go? The 2 hour. Okay. Nice. Hmm. Well, since we're technically playing that 4 hour, we're good for now. We might have to watch out for the other charts, but that's okay. So now we'll look for the OB. Because also now we're back in that 1 hour OB, or 3 minute, whatever it was. Okay, so this candle right here. In this case, we don't want to see price make a lower low here, because it's already been through it a few times, you know? So we want to look for the OB here and set limit order. Okay. So this won't become an OB until right here. So until then, This 1 minute candle will be our entry. Like that. And the thing is, we can still be manipulating a little bit, so we kind of gotta watch out for that. But yeah. Okay, well, it's not 9:30 yet, so we'll wait for 9:30 to show, and then based on what happens, we'll try and catch an entry. This is somewhat interesting. Okay. So it really is this 2 minute right now? Okay. Remember where the chart has been to yet? Okay, let's see what 9:30 does. Okay, boom. Okay, we're shooting down a little bit. Okay, since we didn't make that 6-minute OB, I'm kind of okay with this. Boom. Now I'm gonna try and catch an entry when we come above this high. Okay. Boom, right there. This is what I want to get to. Let's see if we get filled, guys. We might not get filled, honestly. But it's okay. Let's see. Oh wow, just missed us barely. Let's see guys. We did make that high now. So let's see what price has in store for us, right? If we don't get filled, then that's okay. I can live with that. So YM is going down, which is actually good for us because we don't want to see that 4 hour get filled. On our chart, yes, but not on the other charts. Because we want to see NQ go up, obviously, if we get tagged in. Yeah, I like this entry right here, in between that little tiny gap thing we have. And we're gonna target a 3R of 3R, 57 points. So let's see what happens. Boom, tagged in. Let's see if we get stopped or we go straight to TP or what happens. May the Lord be with us. And we learn. So at 2R, I'm gonna go break even as well. That's 2. Bro, I'm low-key a little nervous. I don't know why. It's literally just a trade, bro. Should not be afraid. I have price with me. Even if I do lose, the battle's not over. Be with me, Christ, please. And hopefully show me mercy. And we can take profit. If not, I will learn from it. I will. So, I do ask for your blessing. We really are just targeting that high. Or up here, this will be this long wick right here. You gotta be careful. Price is a little bit consolidating. We might go lower. We might get stopped. If that's the case, you know what? I can live with that. I'm a little confused on why prices want to go lower. But, you know what? I can suck it up, buttercup. You know? Looks like we're about to get stopped. Boom. Yep, there we go. Interesting. Now I do want to stay on because I don't know what's going on. I don't. Maybe because of that 6 minute? You know? I don't know. Let's look. Let's see what price does now. Because look, we could have just turtle swooped that. And then price decides to reverse. No clue. No clue. Maybe I was right about that order block. That if we go into the bottom part, that will just end up going down. And if anything, that's definitely something to learn from. So let's let Christ show us what we need to be shown, you know? I will admit I am kind of annoyed, but affect me. I just want to make sure that that low, that high, did not get taken out in any chart. So if we go here, and we go here, so RTY, so that's the high, right? And now right here. So this is our high. Yeah, so we never got to it. We got close, but we never got to it. Oh wow, price is coming back up. Honestly, I could have been right about that. Price was just still consolidating. So let's see. And now we go up. But we'll see. Price will let us know what it wants to do. What I do want to look at is that daily suspension block again though. I marked it out right? Okay, I did. Wow, look at that. That's interesting. Yeah, price might go down. Interesting. Let's lead it. I mean, like I said though, we were in discount, so not entirely sure what price wants to do at this very moment. But yeah, if we ended up getting caught in consolidation, and you know what, that's something I can live with. I guess after price rebalancing this and going lower, you can kind of anticipate that we'll break that low. But I don't know, I guess I got faked out because we made the higher high, you know. But this just looks like a turtle soup of the highs. But let's see what price does from here. I'll get off in 9:45, 9:50 around there. Because I know I have the time to, so. I have been getting clapped this week, bro. I can't lie. I cannot lie. This is like my third loss this week. Something like that. Kind of annoying. Kind of lost the progress I made last week. That's why I was switching to the 3R, because I need to be making more than I am losing. So I think RR may be able to help with that, because when I do take trades, they usually run for quite a bit. So there's no reason why I shouldn't. But yeah, let's see what happens, because if price decides to break below this low, then I can, I guess, anticipate other stuff and learn from that OB that I had marked out. The fact that it did respect the higher point and then it went like that is something to take note of. When the price reverses now, then you know it's all good. My Tradeovate evals are on the dumps right now. They're in the dumps because of this week. Because they reset on like Saturday or Sunday. And since I've only lost since then, it has not been a good run for them. Very interesting though that we're in, what is it, like a 12 minute? Yeah, it's 12-minute FRT, I believe. If not, then it's like slightly, no, it looks like an FRT. And then the 15-minute is about to pop out right now, so yeah, it looks like this low is about to get taken. It really does. If you've already entered, you want to see this close up right here. If this closes up, then it's probably likely that price will just keep going. But yeah, that 4 hour is still standing, right? Yep, that gap is still there. On YM as well, where we kind of want to see it continue to go down. So a little gassy right now, my bad. Oh, looks like we might be pumping up now. Let's see. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty hard to know when 9:30 is gonna be, I guess, the low or something. Like here, at least when price is consolidating, you don't always know when that last manipulation low is gonna be. So I feel like that's what gets me on these days. If price does reverse, you know, which it looks like it might be. But anyways, I want to see why though. Like why here? What's so special? Because we get tapped into that OB, right, and we completely leave. Boom, we expand higher. We decide to come back. We react off of here. And we want to go boom. And just completely leave it, bro. That's what we want to see. That's how it's looking like right now. Yep. So at the moment, oof, look at that. It is coming up. It is coming up. Let's see how long this lasts for though. Because if that 4 hour gap does get filled, then that will kind of explain why what happened. Because that would leave us with that would leave us with this 2 hour. As we can see, got rebalanced, so we can anticipate price to make a lower low from there. But that would mean price would probably go down much lower. But let's see. Yeah, you see price is going down. So what could have happened is just rebalance what it needed to, which was, I guess, yeah, some lower time frame stuff. This 6 minute. So you see, I reached the top there. And now price is going down. So it might be, if it doesn't reject here, it's on its way to go below here probably. This is interesting price action. Past couple days, 9:30 has been consolidating quite a bit. knock it off at 9:50. Yeah, I'm not upset. I'm a little frustrated. Cause it's like, cause yeah, you don't want to lose, bro. Who wants to lose? Like, let's be for real. It's not affecting me psychologically. Like I'm okay. I know that tomorrow it'll be a trading day, and I'll look for new opportunities. But I'm kind of interested in seeing how price plays out. But I won't know until the day closes, cause price can like come up here for a little bit and then go, So kind of gotta play it by ear, if that makes sense. See what happens to that 4 hour. Because maybe price is waiting until 10 o'clock so that that gap is sealed in. But we'll see. Yes, it's super bullish. So is RTY. RTY was super bearish and now it's bullish. Like, what's going on? But yeah, so if we go here, this 30-minute FRT that we mentioned. I mean, you can't really anticipate stuff like that sometimes, because there are times where it'll get very close to 0.75 and it will still react the way you want it to. So sometimes the quadrants don't lie to you, but they aren't always perfect, if that makes sense. But this right here, body respect, that says something. Yeah, it looks like price is pushing now. I wonder how long this may last, because there's 11 minutes until it closes. As long as these gaps stay open for another 10 minutes, then it'll probably stay up. It's about to be 9:50, so let me say goodbye. God bless you guys. I hope you guys took a W and didn't lose. And if you didn't win, I hope you got break even. I never wish you guys lose. I pray you all win. And be given God's grace. So, God bless you all. If you guys have anything in the comments you want to tell me that could have helped me anticipate this lower low that I don't see later on, like I journal it and I can't find a reason why, then please help me out. I'm open to hearing what you guys have to say, just as you guys are listening to me right now. So, yeah, God bless you guys, and may Christ be with you all.